morning, dears. Last class of arithmetic, we have completed up to question number 5 from exercise 1.1. Look at question number 6. It is saying, Tanay bought a pen for rupees 13 and a book for rupees 17 2 by 3, and ice cream for rupees 15 over 1 by 4. How much money did he spend in a cost of pen? Rupees 13 for 1 by 2. Cost of book rupees 17 whole 2 by 3, and cost of ice cream rupees 15 whole 1 by 4. So the total money spent by Tanay is rupees 13 whole 1 by 2 plus rupees 17 whole 2 by 3 plus rupees 15 whole 1 by 4. You must be wondering why ma'am has not written it in improper fraction. Why she is writing in mixed fraction? Because here I will be using the thing that it will be useful for you also. I will be adding all the integral parts together, 13, 17 and 15, and I will be adding all the fractional parts together, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 1 by 4, and then finally we can add it up all together. You can add it up while converting into improper fraction, but that will take time. This immediately you can answer it, you can add it immediately. 13, 17, 30, 45 we are getting here, plus what we are getting, 2, 3 and 4 LCM is 12. So 6, 8, 3. I am coming this side, continuing with the same thing what is written in down. So there will not be any confusion when you continue. It was the last line, once again I am repeating, rupees 45 plus 6, 8, 3 by 12, or it gives you rupees 45. You don't need to write it twice. This is written to make you understand. 8, 3, 11 and 6, 17 by 12, or it gives you rupees 45 plus this I will convert into mixed, 1 whole 5 by 12, or finally we are getting rupees 46 whole 5 by 12. This is when we add integral part and the fractional part separately. We can use this, okay? It's not wrong that if you convert into improper fraction and add, it will come same, but that will be time taking. This is easy to add because though we have big numbers. So when we have big numbers, we can follow this rule. All the integral parts together and the fractional parts together, okay? Now, the next sum it says, Divya practiced maths for 1 by Divya practiced maths for 1 whole 3 by 4 hours, read an English literature book for 1.5 hours, and did math work for 2 whole 3 by 4 hours. How much time did she spend in all? Question number 7. Time For English literature, one whole 1/2 hours. And for math work, 2 whole 3/4 hours. So total time spent by the year is equal to, here I am converting and adding, so it is up to you what you are following. Okay, 4 whole 1/3, 1 whole 4/3, so this will be 7/4 plus 3/2 plus 11/4 hours. Now you are free, you can see there I have used integral and fraction parts together. Here I am converting the numbers into improper fraction and adding. So you are allowed to use any process. 4 to 4 LCM is 4. So 7 plus 6 plus 11 hours. 6 and 7 13 and 1 14. 24/4 hours. This is 6 hours she is spending in total for study. She spends in total 6 hours for study. Next we have subtraction of rational numbers. In the next exercise, we have subtraction of rational numbers. So here it's the same as fractional only. Exercise 1.2 1a. It is given 3/4 from 5/6. So we'll be writing 5/6 first minus 3/4. LCM is 12. So 10, 9, 1/12. Is it? Now you can see number 2. It is given minus 1/2 from minus 2/3. So I'll be writing minus 2/3 first minus 1/2. Is it? Then we have to solve it. Minus 2/3 plus 1/2. LCM is 6 minus 4 plus 3 or minus 1/6. Is it? This is question number 2. Now you can see number 4. It says minus 2/7 from minus 3/-8. So we write first this minus 3/-8 minus 2/7. So this is cancelled already. So the next step will be writing 3/8 plus 2/7. LCM is 56. 8 7s are, so 3 7s are 21. 7 8s are, so 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 37/56. Okay. Question number 2, in the same way we have to do. Simplify. It's the same thing what we have done now. Number A, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. So the answer is 15, 10, 5 3s are, so 3 3s are 9, 1 by 15. Okay. See the last one. 5 by 24 minus 17 by minus 36. So the next step will be writing 5 by 24 minus, this minus signs are cancelled, 17 by 36. The LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. 24 3s are, so 15. 36 2s are, so minus 34. So minus 19 by 72 will be the answer. Okay, this is question number 4. So 1 and 2 you have to finish from exercise 1.2. Question number 3 we'll do next day. For today you leave it up to here. Thank you, guys.